In this video, we'll focus on dashboards and what you need to know to deploy and customize operational dashboards within Cisco ThousandEyes, so you can visualize performance data in a way that best supports your team. Dashboards are powerful tools that help teams quickly understand real-time data trends. They provide a consolidated view of test results, agent status, and other key information. Using customizable widgets, dashboards present data visually through graphs, charts, diagrams, maps, and more, making it easier to interpret complex information at a glance. A common use case for dashboards is in a network operations center. By displaying a dashboard on a screen 24/7, teams can continuously monitor critical statistics in real time. Dashboards refresh automatically every 2 minutes, ensuring the information is always up to date. There are many customizable widgets available, and each one can be embedded into external monitoring systems using HTML iframes. This flexibility allows teams to adapt dashboards to their specific workflows and visualization needs. Let's start by exploring the basic user interface. In the top left corner, you'll find a drop-down menu to access all available dashboards. To the right of each dashboard's name, you'll notice icons that indicate whether it's a built-in dashboard, one migrated from a report, or one shared by another user. Next to the dashboard selector, the filtering options let you narrow down the information you're viewing. For example, by agent, test type, network, or application. This allows you to focus only on the metrics that matter most. Multiple filters can be combined to create a very specific view of your environment. The time range selector lets you display results from as little as the last hour up to the past 60 days. The global time override button allows you to force all widgets to refresh to the selected interval in the time range selector. Next is the circular refresh icon, which updates the dashboard on demand whenever you need. The automatic refresh interval setting can be configured anywhere from every 2 minutes to every hour. If automatic refresh is turned off, the dashboard will still refresh every 2 minutes by default. The snapshot button lets you save a one-time snapshot or schedule snapshots to run automatically. When saving a snapshot, you can provide a name and set privacy options, including anonymizing sensitive data. Once a snapshot is saved, you can use the share option to generate a public link for others to view. Next to the snapshot button, a download icon allows you to export the dashboard in either CSV or PDF format. The More Options menu at the right corner lets you edit the dashboard itself. Here you can add a description, set the dashboard as private, or grant access to other users or account groups. You can define a default time interval and apply override options to match your team's needs. To further customize your dashboard, click New, and then Widget to browse and add from the available options. Dashboards in ThousandEyes are built from a variety of widgets that help visualize performance data in different ways. Let's go through some of the widget options. The Agent Status widget shows your agents on a global map. Agent locations are determined either by geolocation lookup of their IP address or by the country and region settings defined on the agent. This provides a quick way to assess the overall status of your agents worldwide. The Alert List widget displays alerts that are either currently active or were active within a chosen time period. Active alerts are marked with an orange dot on the left-hand side, and their duration is highlighted in orange. You can configure the alert type directly in the widget settings. The stacked bar widget is ideal for comparing composite metric data, such as HTTP response or fetch times. You can compare multiple tests or group results by country. The bars can be displayed vertically as columns for easier visualization. The multi-metric table allows you to combine several metrics into one view. For example, you might track availability and response time across 5 agents, monitoring the same HTTP server, giving you a detailed comparison in a single widget. Number cards display performance data as dynamic numerical values with status colors. For instance, an HTTP server availability test may show 100% in green when everything is healthy. The Color Grid widget presents an array of cards, with each card's color based on a predefined performance scale. For example, you could display HTTP server availability across multiple agents, with colors indicating normal or degraded performance at a glance. Click New, and then Dashboard to create a new dashboard from scratch or using a template. Dashboard templates help you apply data visualization best practices quickly. In scenarios where you need to monitor a large amount of test data and rely on other teams to create dashboards for you, dashboard templates can help you monitor the test results more efficiently and remove the need for external support. Similarly, deploying dashboard templates can ensure consistency and help you adopt best practices for managing multiple account organizations. Let's look at a few template options. The API Health Dashboard template can be used to deploy an API Health Overview dashboard for API tests. The End User Health Overview template deploys a dashboard that displays overall agent performance, including endpoint agent alerts, experience score, memory, CPU, application availability, and end-user network gateway health. The SaaS Application Health Dashboard template can be used to deploy a SaaS Application Health Overview dashboard for HTTP server tests. Let's take a look at a sample dashboard. This dashboard was designed to monitor a specific SaaS application, in this case, Salesforce. For this company, which has branches worldwide, Salesforce is a vital tool for both productivity and revenue generation. Any issues with Salesforce can directly impact their business. To monitor performance, Salesforce page load tests have been created and assigned to agents in each branch. The first widget provides an overview of Salesforce performance over the last 24 hours. It shows the average value from tests run by all agents. Number cards are used to display the health status of each metric. Admins can quickly determine if there are any issues to investigate. The color coding is customizable based on thresholds defined in the settings. For example, if the average DOM load time should be under 3 seconds, calculated from the last 30 days, and it goes above that, the card color changes, signaling the need for investigation. The location-based availability widget shows whether all branches can access Salesforce. Colors indicate status, and hovering over a location reveals availability details. In this example, there's an issue with a location in Egypt. Clicking directly on the problematic agent and test name brings you into the detailed test results for deeper analysis. Availability metrics can be visualized using the color grid widget, while load time metrics provide insight into Salesforce's site performance. Total time measures the duration of the initial phases, such as DNS resolution, TCP handshake, and SSL negotiation. DOM load time represents the transaction time from the beginning of the first object load to the completion of the final object. Page load time tracks the total time from the initial request to full page rendering, including any redirects. With these three widgets, you can monitor critical timelines for the service, allowing you to evaluate performance across different locations. Comparison widgets help track performance beyond user experience. They're valuable for productivity analysis too. For example, if one location consistently underperforms, ThousandEyes data can help inform decisions, such as switching to a different ISP. Comparing total times between agents further highlights how network performance varies across regions. That concludes our overview of dashboards and widgets within the ThousandEyes platform. Thanks for watching.